You're not in control all the time out here. We never come out to beat Mother Nature, but if you can go home calling it a draw, then that's a good day.
In a place where nature can be at its worst, the United States Coast Guard tests its toughest people.
Kind of scary, tenseful, adrenaline rush, all mixed up into one. It's like a roller coaster ride sometimes.
Rescue boat drivers learn how to deal with the most violent of seas. In the Coast Guard's National Motor Lifeboat School, students are at the mercy of waves that can kill. So many ships sink in the rough waters where the Columbia River empties into the ocean. This area is known as the Graveyard of the Pacific. Coast Guard boat drivers come from around the country to learn skills that will sustain them as they perform their tough, life-saving missions.
The Motor Lifeboat School gives the students and the upcoming boat drivers a base to build on. The skills that we teach them here apply everywhere to boat driving.
Aaron Ferguson has been an instructor here for over 2 years.
Come to starboard a little, give this guy some room. It's an exciting job every time we come out. I've never come out and had the same thing twice. It's always different, no matter what day you're here.
The only thing that stays the same is that danger is always present in the rough surf.
The last 2 weeks, all pays into right today. It's right now. If something happens, we get knocked down, we go in the water. You go in the water. Okay? Pop off smoke. Remember to breathe. If we come back up and I'm not here, Ty will take over and depart the surf zone. Okay, let's do it.
For student and instructor alike, heart rates rise as soon as the sea becomes more dangerous.
And there's a huge range of emotions. You're scared, you're nervous, it's anticipation. There's conditions that you just can't believe that the boats will make it through.
The 2-week class ends with the students mobilized for the man overboard drill. Student Ralph Johnston must prove he can move the lifeboat through heavy surf while keeping it steady. He must position the boat so that his crew can recover the person in danger.
He needs to learn to control his fear of the elements. He needs to understand the strength of the ocean, and we give them an exposure to that and some experience with it.
It helps us, to learn our limitations or to push our limitations to get us more comfortable in the weather. And if we're more comfortable, then our crew's going to be more comfortable and we'll be more effective.
Okay, good job. Good job.
For the instructors, there is satisfaction in knowing that the skills students learn in the Graveyard of the Pacific might one day prevent a terrible tragedy.
On those nights when they're out on their own, it's rough, it's scary, it's nasty. If they fall back to the base, the very basics, they'll go home. They'll get home that night, and they'll take their crew safely home with them, and the people that are out there to help. I get the knowledge of knowing that on those nights, they do go home.